8 divided by 4 is 2. Divide by 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 equal to 1. This answer is wrong because we have division here, we have division here, we have division here. This means that we do this division first and we do this one before we do this last division. So 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. Divide by 8, divide by 4. Now 2 divided by 8 will give us 2 over 8 divide by 4. And now 2 over 8 divide by 4. Using the KCF rule, K stands for keep the first fraction. We keep 2 over 8. C stands for change. We change this division to multiplication. And F stands for flip. So this one, let's call it 4 over 1 because 4 over 1 is the same thing as 4. So when we flip it, it becomes 1 over 4. Now, this will give us 2 times 1 equal to 2 over 4 times 8 will give us 32. Now, we divide this 2 by itself, and that 2 can also divide 32. So this will give us 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, and then 32 divided by 2 will give us 16. So this is the correct answer. The correct answer is 1 over 16. Thank you for watching.